strawberries, fresh strawberries, and I'm going to blend these with 1 cup of sugar, maybe 2 cups, almost 2 cups of strawberries. After puree them will be I think 1 cup of strawberry puree we can get from that much of strawberries, and we are going to add half lemon, I have added 1 cup of sugar to this mixer, and I'm going to blend them to make a smooth puree. I think it's done. Yes. Some lumps are there, so now I'm going to add this mixture to the pan. See that beautiful white color, which I always love in my jam. That's why I'm not a jam loving person, but strawberry jam I always like, and so my kiddo does. And here I am going to stir them well till this mixture gets sticky and will leave the edges of the pan. So it will take some time and patience to make a fine, beautiful, yummy strawberry jam. Just see how beautifully the jam is in the making. So my kitchen is full of aroma with the strawberry jam. I love it. So yummy, so flavorful. It's almost done. As you can see, the jam is already leaving the edges of the pan, and the color has been darkened. Now here is my desi way of checking whether jam is ready or not. Just drop that much and try to make a ball. Yes, it's ready. It's ready. So I am turning off it, and we'll share the video very soon on my blog. Isn't it yummy? Looks so gorgeous. Yeah, nothing like homemade, right? So after coming to the room temperature, I will preserve this jam in a sterilized bottle so that the jam stays for long time. Wow, so beautiful.